So this is gonna be the intro video to the series Stolen or Sold, Who You Really Are. It's gonna be the title of the series. It's to help us black people to understand who we are, where we come from, what it takes for us to unite, not just as black people, but for the world to be united. I'm going to just tell you the topics that I'm going to be covering in the videos. It's going to be a few videos. This one I won't get too in depth because I want to get people involved in the conversation. I want to get people in the comment sections to get their ideas to see if I should do this live or just do this as a recorded series and put the videos out. But I want to understand what it is to be an African American, or how you an African American. What were your ancestors ever even slaves, or is that something you just claimed for all these years because that's what you was told? Do you know where you come from in Africa, or what tribe your family was a part of in Africa? Why come some other group of people has been blamed or still being blamed for years for our conscious decision to not be united and to continue to kill each other and to continue to have downfalls and be able to blame it all on slavery or the white man? Were you taken from Africa, or did your fellow Africans sell you off? Or did your family come here after slavery was over? It's fixing to be a good series for me to get this out. Everybody not gonna watch the video. Everybody not gonna agree, but that's part of having dialogue and part of having conversations. But it's something that need to be discussed, because everybody can make claim, oh, my ancestors were slaves, or they beat and raped my great grandmother, or my people was hung. Who are your people? What is an African American? What is an American? Where were you stolen from? What do you believe? And if all this is certain to you, why nowhere in your generational line did they decide to leave or do something different? So it's just a short video introduction. More videos will be coming soon. I want to get some feedback on this. So y'all jump in the comment section. Y'all like, y'all share, y'all subscribe. There's something different coming from this channel, man. It's going to be a whole bunch of stuff, but this series right here got to get out, man. But I love y'all. Hopefully y'all love me. Show support, subscribe, share, like, comment, It don't take none of your time. But this series is something important to me, and I want interaction from people. So the videos will be coming soon. I feel like this is the right way to do it, though, to make this intro video, to get some whispers started, some dialogue started. But know when the actual series videos start dropping, it's gonna hit hard. It's gonna hit hard, man, because the truth is hurt. The truth is hurtful. And we much rather live a lie that's comfortable than live with the hurtful truth. Who are you? Where you come from? How come the part of your lineage that you choose to know and understand only is the African part or the slave part? There's more to you than that. and why we still using that as an excuse for our lack of unity today. Why we still killing each other off, not supporting each other, not loving each other like we supposed to, and loving the rest of the world like we supposed to. Y'all tune in, man. Y'all share this. Y'all get in the comment section. Let me know your piece. The video is coming soon. Infinite peace, infinite love, infinite knowledge, infinite health and wealth to all of y'all. We out.